What's up, everyone, and welcome back to The Explainer. Okay, today we are diving into something absolutely huge. We're talking about your future. More specifically, we're unpacking the exact skills that are fundamentally reshaping the global economy as we speak. We are going to look at 8 specific AI skills that have the potential to be incredibly valuable in the very near future, specifically looking ahead to 2026. If you want to understand how learning the right skill today can completely revolutionize your financial tomorrow, well, you're exactly where you need to be.
Seriously, what if the skill you start learning today could completely change your financial future? And we aren't just talking about some tiny little bump in your yearly salary. We are talking about life-changing, paradigm-shifting wealth. I know it's super easy to feel overwhelmed by all the crazy headlines about artificial intelligence right now, but when you cut through all that noise, it really all boils down to action. Choosing to invest your time in the right area right now is literally the most crucial decision you can make.
So, to make this all super easy to digest, we've broken our countdown into 5 logical areas: the new wealth shift, mastering content and creativity, automating and scaling business, building the future, and finally, the ultimate AI meta skill.
All right, let's dive into Section 1, the new wealth shift. You know, if you look back historically, every single major technology shift basically creates a massive new wave of millionaires. In the 1990s, the people who understood the early internet, they built immense wealth. In the 2000s and 2010s, those who mastered social media algorithms did the exact same thing. And present day, artificial intelligence is doing it all over again. It's the exact same pattern playing out in real time right in front of us. The early adopters are always the ones who capture the highest value.
Moving right along to Section 2, mastering content and creativity.
This is essentially the communication layer. It's all about how we interface with AI to make incredible things. In this stack, we're looking at skills number 8, 7, and 6, AI prompt engineering, AI content creation, and AI video editing. The core concept here is taking your own human creativity and just supercharging it with AI. Coming in at number 8 is AI prompt engineering, which is honestly just knowing how to ask AI the right questions. Sounds way too simple, right? But the reality is, better prompts mean insanely better results. It's kind of like having a genius-level intern who takes absolutely everything you say completely literally, so you have to give really precise, context-rich direction. Businesses are actively hunting for people who truly speak the language of AI.
And that flows right into skill number 7, AI content creation. Companies have a seemingly endless need for blog posts, videos, social media content, marketing materials. They are totally starved for content. The massive advantage goes to creators who know how to combine AI with their own creativity. You aren't just having the AI do the work for you, you're using it to produce way higher quality assets way faster than anyone else out there.
Zooming in on one specific area, we have skill number 6, AI video editing. Short-form video is absolutely exploding across every single platform, but editing it the old way takes hours. Now, AI tools are making editing incredibly fast and easy. People who master these faster AI tools aren't just saving time, they're actually building highly profitable businesses. Now, let's look at Section 3, automating and scaling business.
If the last section was about creating things, this is the hardcore operations layer. This is where AI helps businesses run smoother and smarter. Here we have skills 5, 4, and 3, AI automation, AI research, and AI marketing. Every business wants to reduce costs, and these skills empower you to scale operations like never before.
At number 5 is AI automation. Could creating AI workflows actually be the highest paying skill of the decade? Honestly, it might be. Businesses are absolutely drowning in repetitive tasks. If you can learn how to build automated workflows using AI to handle those mundane chores, you are solving a massive, expensive pain point. And guess what? Solving expensive problems pays extremely well.
Skill number 4 is AI research. Companies constantly need help understanding their markets, tracking competitors, forecasting trends, all that good stuff. Traditionally, this took weeks. Now, with AI-assisted analysis, you can process millions of data points and get actionable insights in minutes. It's becoming an absolutely crucial skill.
Next up is skill number 3, AI marketing. The marketing world is changing fast, and businesses urgently need people who can use AI to instantly create targeted campaigns, analyze deep consumer data, and generate optimized content on the fly. Combine a strategic marketing mind with AI's speed, and you become completely invaluable. Next up is Section 4, Building the Future. We are moving from just using tools to actually building the software that runs the world. This is skill number 2, AI product building. Now, what's really interesting here is the massive contrast. The old way, you had to be a programmer with deep technical knowledge just to build a product. The new way, AI makes software creation completely accessible to anyone. You don't need to code, you literally just use plain English to tell the AI what to build for you.
And finally, Section 5, the ultimate AI meta skill.
We've talked about prompt engineering, automation, product building, but none of those are the number one skill. Skill number 1 is learning how to learn AI. It's your ability to continuously learn and adapt as this tech evolves. The most valuable skill isn't actually one specific tool, because honestly, the tool you use today might be completely obsolete in 6 months. The true meta skill is just staying adaptable.
Technology changes incredibly fast right now. Resting on what you knew yesterday is basically a recipe for irrelevance. Really absorb this thought. The people who keep learning usually win. A continuous learning mindset is literally the only way to genuinely future-proof your career.
So, how do we actually do this without getting completely overwhelmed? Look, you absolutely do not need to master all 8 of these skills at once. Step 1, just pick one skill that excites you. Step 2, start today. Not tomorrow, today. And step 3, practice consistently. Just dedicate a little bit of time every single day to playing with these tools. Because I promise you, 5 years from now, you are going to be so glad you started early. That wraps up our explainer on the AI skills that are reshaping the world. So I'll leave you with this. If history is repeating itself right now, what side of the wealth shift are you going to choose to be on? Take this info, go build something awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.